We just went to Buc-ee's. I got a drink, test driving the car. We gotta go hit a roundabout. So 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go into 4th gear. Ready? Hey, that wasn't that bad, man. Hey, I'm going fast. The GTR! I'm in the Godzilla right now. So you say go right, left?
Into the roundabout.
Okay. It's a little strange driving on the side though, no lie. Okay, so I'm in 4th gear right now. Crazy thing is, it doesn't even let me know what gear I'm in. So far, everything's...
Oh, not a roundabout, U-turn.
Everything sounds good so far. Everything's in Celsius. Okay. So far so great. Everything sounds good. From being from 1989. The car sounds amazing. Oh, you want to race me? Sure. Okay, so you said roundabout?
Yeah, right here.
Okay. This is the scariest part, man, going back in the downs. Maybe I can just drop it into like 2nd. Oh, hell no. Okay, this is very hard, man. This is not easy. Hey, that's not bad. Hey, if anyone on YouTube can see my feet and see what I'm doing with everything, you know, give me some criticism on it. You know, this is only my first time driving the car, so my driving skills are not the greatest right now. I'll have to adjust that later. I don't even know what fucking speed I'm going, man. I think 100 kilometers is like 60. If anyone on YouTube knows the best way to calculate kilometers, feel free to let me know. So I'm in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Get on. Hell no. Getting onto the fucking freeway. My least favorite thing to do. Hey, I'm gonna drive this to Chicago. Imagine if I take this to Antioch. It's gonna be crazy. I'm in Japan. I'm all in the left side. All right, so we're out here with the Skyline. We're here with Joggy. We're here with my neighbor Joggy. We're here with Zach. Here with Diane. We brought my dog as well. So it's my first time driving this car to any meet ever since buying it. So the reactions have been pretty funny. Everyone's been pretty much looking at it saying it's a pretty cool car, holy shit. Or some kids don't even know what this is. Yeah, we brought this out here. Clean, man. On the way here, no lie, when I pulled in, I did stall this. I did stall it right over there. See, the thing is, I came so high. Rule number 1, well, I don't think I should do it again. Drive high while driving manual. And there you go, right there, more people recording. I'll never drive high. Drive manual while high. Yeah, we got some pretty cool cars here as well. Check this out. Likes it. Skyline. Yeah, I'm recording all the reactions to the Skyline. And I'm gonna get all that shit on YouTube. It's gonna blow up. So, you already see. Everyone recording the Skyline.
None of it's yours, though.
Oh.
It's a right hand. You're probably not a good one. Oh, okay, never mind. There you go. Now you gotta figure it out.
Everyone checking out the engine. Once you open up the hood, you already know what happens next.
I got some charge.
Hey, I already know I'm gonna probably burn the whole clutch just learning it. The hardest part for me is... Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah. He has been here for 15 minutes.
Mindfuck.
Huh?
Mindfuck.
How long have you been standing here looking at it?
I don't know, like 15 minutes. I was really standing over there watching that. I was looking at that sky pack.
All right.
And fucking just looked over. I was like, what the fuck? Like, no way.
Yeah, I was telling him, I was like, he's probably been here for like 10, 15 minutes just staring at it.
Bro,
it took me a while to catch on.
No, you good. Shit, it took me a while to catch on.
Yeah.
I was like, boy.
You seen these in Houston?
Nah, I really don't. I haven't seen one. This is the first one I've seen.